How to transcribe audio messages in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can read the voice messages. First, open the WhatsApp app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now at the top right, you can see 3 dots. Tap on it and then tap Settings. Now scroll to find Chats and then tap on it. There you can see voice message transcripts. Toggle the button and turn it on. Choose the language that you want to transcribe your voice messages. And that's it. Now you can transcribe your voice messages. Now go to the chat that you want to see the transcribed messages. Tap on the voice message and you can see 3 dots at the top right. There you can see the option to transcribe. Hit transcribe and you can see the text. And that's it. That is how you transcribe voice messages in WhatsApp. If you like the content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more similar tech tips.